Hello students, welcome to Charter Coaching classes. We are learning your 9th mathematics chapter, that is sets. In previous video I have introduced you 4 new concepts. One of them was subset. See, if A and B are given sets and every element of set B is element of set A, then B is called as subset of A, and it is symbolically shown like this. Okay, we will take an example. If n is the set of natural numbers and I is the set of integers, then n is the subset of I, because every natural number is an integer. Okay, then they have given some properties of subset. What are they? Every set is subset of itself. Okay, suppose we will take set A as set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then A is a subset of itself. Any set is the subset of itself. N is the set of natural numbers, so N is the subset of itself. I is the set of integer, whereas I is the set of itself. After that, empty set is subset of every set. Empty set is denoted by letter phi, and empty set is a subset of every set. Okay, suppose D is the set which is an empty set. We denote it as a phi or 2 curly brackets having no element in it. Then B is a subset of A because it consists no element in the set. Third point is, if A is equal to B. A is equal to B means set A and set B are equal sets. Suppose set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Set A and set B, these two sets are equal sets. Therefore, we can say A is a subset of B, set A is a subset of B and B is the subset of set A, because all the elements in set A are present in set B, and all the elements of set B, that is elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are present in set A. Therefore, we can call it as A is a subset of B, whereas B is a subset of A. If A and B are equal sets, if A set is equal to set B, then A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Fourth one, vice versa. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A is equal to B, that is set A equal to set B. See the example. If we can say A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, we can say that only if all the elements in set A are present in set B and all the elements of set B must be present in set A. Therefore, set A and set B are said to be equal. These are the properties of subset. See, if A and B are two given sets and every element of set B is in set A, then B is called as subset of A. Here we have seen the example. N is the set of natural numbers and I is the set of integers. N is a subset of integers because every natural number is an integer. After that, we have seen the 4 properties of subset. What are they? Every set is subset of itself. If set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, natural numbers from 1 to 5, then A is a subset of itself. We can write it symbolically like this. Empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set is the set having no elements in it, and empty set is a subset of every set, then third property is if A is equal to B, that is set A and set B are two sets which are equal, then A is subset of B and B is a subset of A. We can see the examples. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the elements of set A are present in set B and all the elements of set B are present in set A. Therefore, we can call it as A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. And here, opposite to this, if A is subset of B and B is subset of A, then set A is equal to set B. This is how we have learned the subset. Then we will move towards the next properties. See, here is the example of subset. If set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, then we have to write all the possible subsets of set A. We will write the subset of set A. See, we can name it as anything from A to Z, but it must be in capital letters. So set C is equal to 1, 3, 4, 7. Again we can write set X is equal to 3, 4, 7, 8. Set P is equal to 1, 3 and 4. Set Q is equal to, we can write it as 4, 7, 8. Set T is equal to just 7 and 8. This is how you can write all the possible subsets of given set A. Subset is the set which consists the elements which are present in the set A. Therefore, set C is the subset of set A. Set X is the subset of set A. Set P is the subset of set A. Set Q and set T are the subsets of set A. And we have learned the property that is A is the also subset of itself. Therefore, A is also subset of A. फोन राहू दे का इथंच?